Hello everybody and welcome back to Sam's Diecast Showroom for an unboxing of a Hot Wheels 5-pack. From 2021, this is the Hot Wheels Flames. As you can see, we have 5 different cars: the 41 Willys Coupe, 68 Hemi Plymouth Barracuda, 69 Camaro, 69 Dodge Charger 500, and the 73 Ford Falcon XB. You can read the back there. And this has a 2021 copyright as well. This is a 2021 5-pack. That's the Willys Torino, I forgot what it was. We'll get these open and see what they're like. I got these at a Target, so I mean, this was late 2021 when I got these. But yeah, I got these at a Target, late 2021. Let's start off with the first one, the 41 Willys Coupe, and right away I am loving this thing. This is probably my favorite one. And this caught my eye because of these wheels. These wheels are absolutely gorgeous. All these cars are made in Indonesia. This has an amazing flat black color, 41 Willys Coupe, and 5-spoke wheels with double white rims. These are gorgeous. And if you have been following me for a while, you'll know that I opened up this one from 2011. And this is the same exact casting 10 years later. And this has a different copyright. They must have retooled it along the way. See if I can find it. Oh, yep. You can see how they made it clip on. They put a rivet here instead of clipping it on. This casting originated in like 2010, I want to say, but this is amazing. You can see the number 41 there, and the flames on this. Very nice classic coupe with a blown engine, chrome interior, black plastic base. Definitely a very cool one and probably my favorite one. 1968 Hemi Barracuda. And this is in a nice metal flake purple color. This shows up more of a blue on video, but it is solid purple off video. And this has some nice gold 5-spoke wheels. Those are gold chrome 5-spoke wheels. Beautiful tan interior. 1968 Plymouth Barracuda Hemi. And you can see the nice hood scoop there. That is absolutely really cool. Absolutely really cool. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely really cool. And you can see that it has a nice flame on the side. This has gold and white flames. There's the back of it there. Very cool. And just a nice looking muscle car. This is a bunch of muscle cars. There are no fantasy cars in this. I really like this 5-pack. And this is a beautiful shiny chrome base made in Indonesia. This casting is from 2008 or 2006. Somewhere around there, but that's really cool. Here's a nice shot of it. Beautiful car. Next up, we have a beautiful 69 Camaro in pearl white with the copper colored flames and a nice gray outline on those. This is a really nice car. Beautiful 69 Camaro with a black plastic base. This casting is from 2007. This is a nice classic car. And there's the front there. Very nice car. And 2-door sports car or muscle car. And this is just a very nice looking car. Another gold interior. It's not tan, it's gold. Or maybe it is tan. No, it looks more like gold or beige. Not beige, I'm not sure. And deep dish 8-spoke wheels with a nice gold chrome lip. And this thing is really cool. That's the third one of the pack. Very nice. 69 Dodge Charger 500. This is a nice metallic red color with the flames white and orange on the side. Muscle car 5-spoke wheels. And this thing is gorgeous. This is a very nice one. And a chrome plastic base. This casting's from like 2014, I believe. That's what it said on the base. And nice back of it there. Very cool sedan. Black interior. And really shiny car. This one's pretty shiny. And take a nice look at that right there. Gorgeous. two-door muscle car. Last but not least, the 73 Ford Falcon XB, and this is a metallic teal color, I believe. This has a chrome plastic base once again, and beautiful metallic teal. I love this color. Definitely a great color. And it's got the Phil Reelman 5-spoke wheels with the chrome blue stripe on it and silver and blue flames. This is a really nice muscle car, definitely awesome. Okay, take a nice look at that. Black interior, very hard to see. The windows are down. I believe the windows are down for almost all of these, except for the Willys. Didn't really notice though. But wow, this thing is gorgeous. And yeah, Ford Falcon XB, 1973. Very cool. And when these first came out, these were really hot. This is a first edition. This is the international release, so it's going to say Hot Wheels Premiere. And this was an early international release for 2010, and it has the black fender stripes. This is a short car. The package is mint, and this was going for around $15 when it was brand new. And that one is probably one of the better cars in my collection. Anyways, thank you for tuning in and watching this video. Please subscribe for more. I just opened up the Hot Wheels Flames 5-pack for 2021. Which one was your favorite? Leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.